Have you ever thought about buying a yacht, but maybe the whole process seemed a bit complicated? Well, what if there was a way to do it online with total transparency? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the World Yacht Store's online auction and show you just how simple and secure it really is.
So let's be clear, this is not just another online marketplace. We're diving into a modern auction platform that's built from the ground up on clarity and trust. It's all about putting you in the driver's seat, from the moment you start looking to the day you take ownership.
And really, that's the whole idea here. The goal is to create the most transparent path to your next yacht. It's a clear, straightforward journey to ownership, without any of the hidden complexities you might expect.
All right, first things first, before you can even think about bidding, there are a few simple steps to get you ready. Let's walk through exactly what you need to do to get prepared.
Your path to bidding really just boils down to 3 key steps. First, you're going to register online. Second, you'll submit a couple of necessary documents. And third, you'll pay a security deposit. It's all designed to be quick, secure, and super clear.
So, what documents are we talking about? Well, it's pretty minimal. For individuals, you just need a valid ID and your tax ID code. If you're bidding for a company, you'll need the legal representative's ID and an up-to-date company registration certificate. That certificate, by the way, is the official document that confirms who has the authority to sign for the company. Simple as that. Now, this next part is absolutely crucial. And honestly, it's one of the best things about this process. A pre-bid viewing isn't just some option, it is a mandatory step. This is not a blind auction where you cross your fingers and hope for the best. You get to, in fact, you have to, see the yacht in person. You can inspect it, assess its condition, and make sure it's right for you. That way you bid with total confidence. Okay, let's talk about that security deposit. Think of it as a fully refundable guarantee for your offer. It's really just there to show that you're a serious bidder, which helps keep the auction fair for everyone involved. Let me give you a quick hypothetical example. Let's say there's a yacht with a starting price of 100,000 euros. A 10% deposit would be required to participate in that auction. But here's the most important part. If you don't place the winning bid, that deposit is promptly returned to you right after the auction finishes. Okay, so you're registered, your deposit is in, and you're all set. Now for the exciting part, the online auction itself. Let's dive into how the bidding process actually works. All the auctions happen online in what's called an asynchronous format. Now, that sounds a little technical, but all it really means is that you can place your bids electronically from anywhere in the world whenever it's convenient for you during the auction period. Bidding itself is really straightforward. You just need to know a few key things. Your bids are placed in set minimum increments, which you'll see on the screen. It's also important to remember that each bid is a binding, irrevocable offer to purchase, and your offer stays as the top bid until, of course, somebody else places a higher one. Now, this is a really cool feature that keeps things fair for everybody. The 3-minute extension rule. Here's how it works. If a bid is placed in the last 3 minutes, the auction deadline gets extended by another 3 minutes. This prevents any last-second sniping and gives everyone a fair chance to make their best offer. The bidding's over, the dust has settled, and you've got the winning bid. Congratulations! So, what happens now? Let's walk through the final steps to securing your new yacht. So, once the auction officially closes, your winning bid is presented to the yacht's owner for a final approval to complete the sale. This is a standard step that just makes everything official and moves you toward the final transfer of ownership. And here's something you'll definitely appreciate. A huge part of this entire process is complete transparency. That means no hidden surprises, period. You know exactly what you're paying from the very beginning. Your final payment is broken down into just 3 parts: your final winning bid, the agreed-upon auction fee, and the standard ownership transfer costs. That's it. Everything is laid out clearly, just like in any standard yacht sale. No surprises. And this right here might be the most important benefit of all. The auction process guarantees that the yacht is delivered to you completely free and clear of any past issues. No prior debts, no liens, no financial burdens. You get a clean title, which means total peace of mind. Once your final payment is all processed, you'll be authorized to take possession of your new yacht. It all happens within a clear, agreed-upon time frame, making the final handover as smooth as possible. So there you have it. That's the World Yacht Store's online auction process from start to finish. It's clear, it's transparent, and it's a secure path to owning the yacht you've been looking for. The only question left is, are you ready to make your bid?